Why these birds don't just build nests, they build masterpieces. Day 29 of our incredible bird facts series. Today we're looking at birds that build nests better than humans. First up, the genius weaver bird, famous for its perfectly woven hanging nests that look like handcrafted baskets. Next, the creative bowerbird, not just a builder, an artist. It decorates its structure with colors, shells, and objects to attract a mate. Then the hardworking sociable weaver, building massive apartment-style nests that house hundreds of birds. And here's the crazy part. Some birds design their nests to control temperature, protect from predators, and survive extreme weather. It's not just building, it's engineering. From woven designs to giant bird cities, these birds don't just make homes, they create architecture in the wild. The second last day of our Bird Facts series. Please comment down which series you see next on this channel.